Hey everyone, it's Skillet Social, and today I'm going to talk about how to build confidence and why it's important. First off, let me define confidence. Confidence is the belief in yourself and your abilities. It is the assurance that you can take on life's challenges and opportunities and come out on top. Now, let me explain why it's so important. Confidence is essential in life because it allows us to take chances, take risks, and be open to new experiences. It also helps us to feel more secure in our decisions and abilities, and it can even give us the courage to try something we've never done before. So, how do we build confidence? Well, here are some simple tips. 1. Practice positive self-talk. Remind yourself of all the things you are capable of and how competent you are. 2. Set small goals for yourself and celebrate when you reach them. This will help you build confidence in yourself and your abilities. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. Having a strong support system will give you the confidence to pursue your dreams. 4. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are capable of achieving your goals and that you have the power to make your dreams come true. I hope these tips help you build your confidence and take on life's challenges with a newfound sense of assurance. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.